Yeah, so I just got the shelves from Home Depot, and it looks sick, man. Let me lift it up a little bit. They got this nice industrial looking vibes to it with the rustic metal and rustic wood as well. My plan is to put it right there where those two foils at. I mean, I hope it looks better than that, cause I just I'm just tired of that now. But anyway, I will be showing you guys how to set it up. I got two of them. This one's already set up, and the other piece I'll be doing a step by step. It should be pretty straightforward. And let's see what it's gonna look like. The first step, grab one of these and one of these. Get this in between the holes. Connect it to this and just spin. Hope I'm in frame. Spin until it gets tight. And do the second hole. One. Alright, so once these are in, it's easy if I do it this way. With the almost done. Boom. So that's it. All we are done now, just put this thing to the wall and should be good. These are some of the tools we need to mount these shelves to the wall. We need a drill, a leveler to make sure it doesn't come out slanted, some screws and anchors, and the pencil to mark where we will be screwing. So this is the outcome. I really like it. I think it's a lot better than the previous looks because it got some character to it now, with the industrial look combined with the electronic candle lamp, the plants, and the Lego car. But you guys let me know in the comments which you think is better. I plan on using this space as another shooting area. That's why I'm changing the looks. I'll be leaving links in the description of the shelf and also links to some of the accessories I added to it. But anyway, thanks for sticking to the end. If you find value in this content, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. I do lots of DIY, travel vlogs, and inspirational content. Check out my other content and don't forget to leave a like to help this channel grow. Thanks once more, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.